What is this random piece of hair doing? I can't even see it. Ugh! Hair. This is why I wear a hat, because this hair is just... Hello guys. So, welcome to another week of weekly art inspirations. Yes, I said that right. There are times I say that, guys, and I sit there and I go, am I saying that correctly? Yeah, I did. We're good. We're good. We're fine. You know what the channel... By now, most of you know who the channel is. I'm saying that with like 20 years of it. It's fine. Anyway, so, today, we are going to be doing something a little different. I haven't seen that many channels or any do this art challenge, and so I decided it would be something fun to try, something very different. I am going to be painting with red dirt. Yes, you heard me correctly, red dirt from Utah, because that's where I live. So, with that said, please remember to like, subscribe, if you like the channel, let your friends know about weekly art inspirations, because let's be real, we want to keep inspiring people. We want to keep reminding everyone how incredible they are, how much awesome stuff they can do. So be sure to like, subscribe. If you want to share, that would be great. And be sure to turn on the bell notification, because that helps a ton. And so yeah, let's get started. I'll tell you a little bit about where I found the red dirt, because I'm sure you care a lot about that. So let's get started. As I've said in my Lake Monster video, me and my dad go on drives all the time on Sunday, and so this is one of the drives, and I got the inspiration for doing painting with dirt because of those cool rocks and the formations that they have. There's kind of that, I don't even know, like almost a cliff dwelling effect, where it looks like, you know, you'd want to camp out there. And so I had this idea of an old man camping in a little alcove with a fire going, and that's kind of where I got the inspiration for the first part of drawing it. So just a little in between here. What I'm gonna do is I have the sand right up here, and as you can see, it's super dark. And I have 1 cup of a lot of water and my little mason jar over here. And pretty much all I'm doing is just dropping in the sand. And I want one that's a little bit lighter than the other one. And by the way, I have tested this out, so I do know that it works. I just got sand everywhere. The smaller jar is only going to be used for a little bit darker sand, so pretty much I'm just going to put in more of it to create a darker illusion. My desk is gonna be absolutely dirty. So dirty. Anyway, so that is what I'm doing right here. Just wanted to let you guys see and know what's going on instead of just kind of leaving you in the dark. And there's my beautifully orange hand. And back to the behind the scenes of how it was done. I really loved painting with this sand. As hard as it is painting with the dirt, one of the hardest things was I had to keep wiping it off, and very gently wiping off the granules, or, you know, flecks of sand or dirt that were thicker, because it got too hard to do the detailing. And so I would have to, you know, brush it off, or like I did there, I would blow it off into my room. And after I let this dry before lining it, because that would have been absolutely torture, it was a little bit harder to line because there was still a grittiness to the paper, and I was using watercolor paper in this because I figured it would kind of be a little bit trickier to work with. But I was really happy with the result. It came out looking not necessarily like coffee, but almost a sepia tone, and more sepia tone than even coffee gives the effect of. So I had a lot of fun with this, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, just let me know in the comments below, because I actually had a lot of fun painting with this dirt. Hey guys! Oh, my voice just died. It's too early in the morning. Good heavens. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I had a ton of fun doing this. It is very hard to paint with sand. Not gonna lie, that was in dirt, whatever. That was interesting. If you guys want to see another video of me painting with dirt, please let me know. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you would like to like this video, that'd be great. Make sure to turn on that bell notification. It helps out our channel keep growing all of our little art inspirations. And be sure to let your friends know to subscribe, because at 50 subscribers we are going to be doing a giveaway of this little guy right over here. He's a little needle felt plushie. Anyways guys, I hope you remember to stay amazing, stay inspired, do fun art, do stuff. If you sit there and go, maybe I want to draw or paint with coffee, with dirt, with anything, honestly, a lot of stuff can be used. So be sure to try out different things, never be afraid to see if something works, and you never know, it could turn out amazing. I love you guys, thank you so much for watching, stay amazing, stay inspired, and if you want to watch a few more videos, there's a few over here. Anyways, love you guys, later.